Okay, here's a little help on counterarguments. This is the paper that you are writing now in cartoon form. Okay? Hey, make sure this is. Hey, let's have a debate about whether people should trust themselves or go to experts for important things. Sounds riveting. Okay. I believe blank for two reasons. First of all, and here in your claim, you should extend it to the so what. For instance, if you're saying people should trust their own instincts and not go to experts because people know themselves the best, you might want to extend that to say, in other words, which is important because it can uh, change the outcome of the advice or something like this. So first of all, blank, extend to the so what. Here's an example proving it. Counter argument. The problem I see with what you're saying in your first point is that blank. Well, concession, that is understandable, but flawed because refutation, blankety blank. Let me give you an example proving how wrong you are. Example. Secondly, it also blank blank. That's your second claim, which is important because this. Here's an example of it. Mr. Counter Argument. But in your second claim, what about the fact that blank? Concession. Well, it's true that blankety blank, but refutation. Here's the problem with what you're saying. Now, let me show you an example about the problem that you're saying, disproving you. And you know what? Here's a couple other examples I'm just going to throw in. I'm not really going to write about them, but everybody's heard about them, and they really help me show you that your reasoning is wrong. So, ask yourself, does your counter argument address the reason you gave as your claim? Or did that counter argument have nothing to do with the claim? Did it just talk about the other side of the argument in general? That's not what you're doing. Second question to ask yourself, does your refutation and example address the counter argument? You're disproving the counter argument with that refutation and example. So here's what you guys are going to do, okay? Monday's assignment. You're going to make one of those cartoons, you're going to fill it in, you're going to take a picture, and you're going to submit it, and you're going to turn your paper in Monday as well. Well done. I'm telling you well done now, and I'm also saying I want that paper well done. Okay? I'll send you a checklist Sunday so you can check your paper. Your cartoon, and I will take a picture of this and send it. I'll put it in the assignment, is going to be, it's going to look like this. Here are my two reasons I believe whatever, experts or instinct. Bang, bang. Claim number one. Example number one. Just a couple words is fine. What was your counter argument? How about this? Fill these things in. Okay? Then you're going to do it for your second one as well. You're going to have your claim, your example. You're going to have the problem with that claim. Then you're going to have your concession, your refutation, and your example. Okay? Hope it helps.